All right, everybody, welcome back. We're out here in the shop doing a little tinkering on the Blazer, getting ready for a race coming up this weekend on the 13th. We got some changes to do. Got an MSD 6AL2 programmable box. We're going to be replacing just the 6AL box with the 3-step. This box is just better. You can hook up nitrous and all to it and boost, and it's just a lot easier to change the RPM range and all that. All right, well, we got the 6AL box out and the 3-step box. We went ahead and got it out, and we've got the 6AL2 programmable box mounted, and the wires ran and hooked all up. Now we just gotta hook it to the computer and basically set it up for the Blazer. The guy we got it from had it in an S10 truck, and he had no clue what is in it. He bought it like this, and we gotta turn this switch on. We gotta have power. And he has no clue what's even in it. So he don't know if they was running nitrous on it or anything. He knows he bought the truck and just started running it. He never hooked it to a computer or anything like that. So let's see here. Yeah, we want all the data so we can see what's actually in this thing and see what I can put in it. So the truck didn't have no trans brake or nothing in it, so it shouldn't have no launch or nothing like that. And he said it didn't have nitrous or turbos on it when he got it, so it's probably going to be pretty close to what we're going to be running. This thing will load, probably get a lot in it. No telling. So, just wait on this thing to load here. Alright, well, we got it open now, finally. Let's see here. I want to look at this one. See, they got the burnout set on 5,000. Max RPM set on 7, and launch set on 7,200 with a 100 RPM drop. So, I mean, some of this is pretty close. We're going to change the burnout, and we're going to change the max, and the rev launch will go away. We're not even going to use it because it don't have trans brake. So we're going to set all this up here. Probably set this on about actually, you think we're gonna leave that on max on 7,000 and try it for the first pass and see what it does?
Yeah.
That would probably, because it did have a 7,000 chip in it the last time we took it. But we'll turn the burnout down to 4,500. Because 5,000, that might be a bit too much. We're gonna save this. And then this one here, we're just gonna take it default. Put that, well, apparently that is, let's see here. Good thing is we don't have the launch when hooked up. We don't even have a wire ran for anything like that. So that's not going to activate anyway. So we ain't got so much worry about that. All right, well, spin it over and let's see if it's going to, because I got to make sure this was right and all before we go to cranking it and all. So, You can turn that blue one off. So you can build oil pressure. Crank it. See if it'll crank. If it works. He said the box worked out to come out of a running truck, so. I had to pump it. Yeah. It works. So, and actually I should have showed y'all on here while it was running, because this is the same box that's in the Nova. So it's just it's not the same box, but it's the same part number box. But it's actually got a gauge run out and all. Only one that really works is the RPM, because well, the degrees will work once it's over the degrees it's set to, which it's not going to be because what it's set to. And then the end one, that's for boost gauge, which it don't have nothing on it, or a map sensor. But that's everything right there. Now you got to do what? Means we changed that. We got to do what?
Check the toe.
We got to check the toe, because we think the toe's off.
Change the oil.
And we got to do an oil change, and that's pretty much it, I think.
I swapped my ball joints.
Yeah, he swapped his ball joints. Because this one's always been on the bottom, and the left side one's always been on the top. Well, that'll give a fudged reading judgment when the front end comes up. One will bottom out before the other, which that's how these were when they were on the round track car.
Yeah.
Because these are actually round track tubular A-frames, which are pretty close to the same as the drag racing ones. They're just a little, they don't have so much, these are straight. These are flat right here.
They're just flat.
And the drag racing ones has got curve in them to let the front end come up more. Which this thing really don't need to come up no more. I mean, it's already got a bunch of travel in it. But we're just gonna, I guess we can go ahead and back it out of here. Or back it out enough. And we're going to change the oil in it, get it up on ramps and change the oil. And then we'll set the toe. We ain't got no way to take it and put it on a front end machine, you know, an alignment machine or nothing like that. We don't have that privilege. So we just have to do it the old school fashioned way with
especially today, because everything's closed.
Yeah, today, yeah, holiday. So, but we just do it with 2 tape measures and some toe plates, and that gets you pretty daggum close. If it's good enough to make you go in a round track car and go circles at 100 mile an hour, and that's pretty much, that's more, that don't have as much forgiveness as drag racing, because you're just going straight, you're not turning or nothing.
Yeah.
But
it's got to be precise on
yeah.
round track car.
But we're going to go ahead and back this thing out and then pull it back in here and get it on some ramps and get the oil changed. And then when we get done with that, we're going to set the toe. All right, well, it's Saturday. We got the Blazer loaded up. I got the carburetor that I used to have on the Nova. I got it in the truck. I've been working on it a little bit. It's had a problem with the accelerator pump not working. So we got it in the truck. We're going to take it with us and most likely put it back on the Blazer. It was on it at one time, but the accelerator pump was messed up. So we got it in the truck, and I guess we're about to head out of here, right? I guess we're about to head out, I guess. Yeah. I guess we got everything.
Get the air gauge, air chuck.
Yep, got all that in the truck. So I guess we're about to head to Cottonwood Dragway.